Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are opening up another daily goodie box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up another daily goodie box. This is the box for February. Now for those of you who don't know, daily goodie box is a free box. You can definitely check them out if you go to dailygoodiebox.com, or you can check them out on Facebook. Literally every day they're giving free goodie boxes every day. So definitely check them out so you can see how you can get your own package. So again, this is for the month of February. Every box comes like this. And what they do is they send you different products that you can try out just to see with not well-known brand companies. Usually what I found, and it's been a couple months for me that I've been opening this up, and what I found is that the companies that they're offering, they're usually like natural products. So those products, like companies like that, are not usually well known. So that's why they're sharing this, so that you can give them feedback on what you thought of the box. So this is what it looks like every time that you get a free goodie box, and it gives you a message and it says, you got a free goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts with everything that was included inside the box. So that's what that looks like there. And then there's blue tissue paper just hiding the stuff that's in this month's package. So let's see what is in this month's box. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys a little sneak peek on what's inside, but we're gonna go through them one by one individually. So the very first thing I see, it's from a company called Lyft, and this is an energize. So it looks like these are energizing. Well, let me show you that. So that's what it looks like there, and it's from the company called Lyft. Let me see what this is. So it says, so you add this to any beverage. So it's an energy stick. You can add one to any beverage, and that is what those sticks look like. So not bad. I will definitely give that a try. I don't know about you guys, but anybody can always use any energy. So that's what that one was. All right, so the next item that we have here is called Skinny Crisps, and this is gourmet crackers. Looks like there's two, I believe in, oh no, they're individually. So that's what that looks like there. And then you also get, if you see that at checkout, you want to try these out, you get a coupon code. So if you want to check those out, you could, if you use 15% off. So those are good. This is basically, it says gluten-free chocolate chip mini chips. So not bad. Anything chocolate, I'm totally down with. And then we did get this on a box, I believe 2 boxes ago. My husband was in love with this. This is Coco Lux Hydration. This is coconut water. He loved it. I believe we got 2. He drank it and he was asking me about it. So we were definitely gonna buy it, but I'm glad they added it to this box. And then the next thing we have here, this is Spoonful of Honey. This is from Nate's Natural. So this is organic honey, and I drink tea all the time, and the one thing I always forget to get is honey. So I'm definitely glad to get honey on there. And the next items we have here is from Mango Kiss. These are lip balms. One is in the flavor of vanilla honey, and the other one is yummy berry. Now I got lip balms. I'm not too sure if it was 2 boxes ago or last box. I literally use this every day. I love it. It definitely is soothing, keeps my lips moist. So I love it. I definitely would recommend that one. And then the next item we have here is, these are cheese straws. That's different. This is with a kiss of chipotle. So it looks like it has like a little spice to it, but the packaging on this one is really, really cute. And then let me see, I'm gonna open it up but not unpackage it, because we're actually having pasta tonight. So maybe we can try that tonight. Okay, so it's in here, so I don't know what that looks like, but it says cheese straws. So we can definitely try that tonight just to see what that's about. And then the next item we have, these are 2. So this is from Naturalia, Naturally Australian. This is anti-itch soothing cream. So this is perfect. It says, what does it say? So it says soothe and relieve irritated skin. So that is what came in this package. So that was everything. So let us do a recap on what came in the free daily box. So we have our 2 soothing anti-itch creams. We have a package of honey. We have our coconut water, which we loved already. We've tried that. We have our 2 lip balms, which I love. I definitely recommend. We have cheese sticks, which we're definitely gonna give a try tonight for dinner. And then we have our chocolate chip mini chips. We also have our energy sticks. So that was everything in the package. Definitely let me know in the comment section below if you guys have tried any of these products. I would definitely be curious to see what you guys have thought of it. For me, we've tried the soothing cream and the lip balm, so we love those products. But definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought about this month's box. And with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And of course, we'll see you on the next video. So have a good day, guys.